Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need admin access and a reboot ready. Once done, disable any third-party anti-cheat or security tools temporarily so they don't block the process. Start by closing Valorant and Riot Client, then open services and stop both VGC and VGK if running. Next, launch an elevated command prompt. Right-click, Run as Administrator, and run the uninstall commands to remove Vanguard kernel drivers cleanly. This first sweep prevents driver conflicts and prepares Windows for a fresh Vanguard. Once services are stopped and commands have removed VGC and VGK, make sure the Riot Vanguard folder is gone. If not, delete it manually from program files. Then reboot Windows to clear kernel memory and driver handles. Do not skip this. After reboot, open the Riot client and start Valorant. The client will prompt and automatically reinstall Vanguard. Allow the driver installation when Windows asks for permission to install a kernel driver. Accept it so Vanguard can mount at boot and protect the game. After the reinstall, verify VGC is active in services and that Valorant launches without the Vanguard error. If you still see errors, try toggling Secure Boot off in BIOS, boot Windows, then re-enable Secure Boot and repeat the reinstall. This fixes signature handshake issues. If problems persist, run sfc/scano and dism to repair system files, reboot, and reinstall. Finally, make sure third-party antivirus is re-enabled. Exclude Riot folders, and test a full game launch to confirm Vanguard loads correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.